Hi beauties and welcome back to my channel. For today I've got this orange Kingsday look and I hope you enjoy it and I hope you enjoy this day. I'm going to use the Royal palette by Queen Tarzi and we're going to use the color Amalia. It's a bright orange and if you know me well, I don't like the color orange at all. It's not my jam, but hey, it's Kingsday and that means a lot of orange. So at the end, I really like this look, so it doesn't matter. What I'm doing is I am making the outer third orange as bright as can be. And I am blending it out towards the middle of my eye, but I'm still concentrating the color on the outer third. I hope to get as much pigment as possible. Poking out my eye is something that comes with the job, I think. So I'm trying to show you how much time I spent in building up the pigment and blending it out and do the whole process again until I'm satisfied. And sometimes even during the process I will get back and put some more there because I'm not satisfied already. So I'm blending out that hard edge and I'm going back in the outer third because I saw a line that didn't have some pigment, so that's why I'm checking everything again and again and again so I can do what's needed on that point. So I'm going back in, swirl it around like sweeping motions. I think it's a more swirling sweeping motion. Okay, I'm doing a happy dance. Sometimes I'm feeling a little bit silly. Yeah, and I'm still concentrating on the outer third of my eye. And I'm still blending that edge. You know, when all the shadow is gone from my brush, I'm using it to blend everything out. Not picking up any more product, just blends, blends, blends. I really love this process. And I'm dragging it a little bit further in. And then we're going to move to the color Fla from the nikkietutorial palette. And I'm going to put that in the inner third of my eye, so the inner corner, and really brighten that up. And let me tell you, this is a yellow color that is a true yellow. I never saw a yellow like this before. I don't use them much, but oh wow, I really love this. And the pigment is there. You don't have to work with it that much. I just wanted to have the most color payoff that I could. So that's why I'm going in and in and in and build that up. So, and we're now going in with the color Redemption, also from the Nikkie palette. And it's just a nice in-between shade between the vibrant orange and the yellow. So we can get a nice graduate from the one color to the other. And I'm blending that with the yellow and with the brighter orange. So there is no funny line anymore. And if you think, okay, I'm going overboard, you can always go back in with the color that you used on the inner or outer third and go back on it. So you get that really nice seamless blend. That's what we're going for. That's what I love. You see, I'm not very happy with the pigmentation on the outer third, so I'm going back in and I'm using a little brush from Natasha Denona, the number 5, because I can be very precise with this one. So I am deepening up the crease color and the outer third color. Then for the under eye, I'm going in with the yellow for the inner third. Then for the middle part, redemption. So just do it like we did it on top. And for the last color, the Amalia. And just drag that along so we get that pointy feeling, the V shape on the outer side. So I'm going in with more yellow because I want it to be vibrant. Not that it isn't already, but I need it to be more vibrant than that. Call me crazy. Then I'm getting a clean blending brush, so there's no product on it, and I'm just going on top that edge, so to buff out that line, so it's really soft. And I really love that. I really love a soft eye, no hard lines. No, I can blend until everything is gone again. Not that it's supposed to happen, but I can. I really can do that. So we are refining the edge and everything is blended out. Maybe a little bit too far because I'm going back in again with Amalia just to brighten that up again, because I lost a little bit of pigmentation. And if you think when you done this process again and you think, oh god, I've got a harsh line again, just pick up that brush that you had that was clean and go back over that line again. In my case, I didn't need that anymore. So for the next step, we're going to curl the lash. And sometimes I'm doing it in 2 parts like now. And I had to be careful a little bit because there was still a little mascara on my eyelash. Then we're going in with the Sky High mascara by Maybelline. And I'm going to make my lashes black. You know, this is a pretty good mascara. Just give it some time with the first layer, let it dry a little bit and go back in for a second, and then you got the effect that you want. But be careful, sometimes it can be a little bit smudgy. You got a black smudge on your eyeshadow and that would be a shame. But on this moment, it's my favorite. And then we've got the Shockwave pencil in yellow. And yeah, I'm making my waterline yellow because the look is asking for it. And this is the tutorial for today. I hope you liked it. If you didn't already, please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you next time. Bye!